Hey there, content creators. Welcome back to Raise You Up, the channel that's all about inspiring you, raising your spirits, and helping you reach your highest potential. If you're looking to unlock the secrets to viral videos, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. All right, let's dive in. Here are the top 5 secret ways to make your video go viral. Secret number 1, the attention span of viewers is super short, so you need to grab their attention immediately. Start with something surprising, funny, or intriguing that makes them want to stick around. Moving on to secret number 2, people share videos that make them feel something: joy, surprise, anger, or even sadness. Tap into those emotions, and your viewers will be more likely to hit that share button. Secret number 3, use keywords in your title, description, and tags that people are likely to search for. This makes it easier for new viewers to find your video. Also, create an eye-catching thumbnail that stands out in search results. Next up, secret number 4, respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community around your content. The more people feel connected to you, the more likely they are to share your videos. And finally, secret number 5, teaming up with other YouTubers can introduce your content to a whole new audience. Plus, collaborations can bring fresh ideas and energy to your videos. So there you have it, the top 5 secrets to making your video go viral. Remember to hook your audience, create emotional content, optimize for SEO, engage with your viewers, and collaborate with others. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Raise You Up. And don't forget to check out more videos on our channel for even more inspiration and tips. Thanks for watching. Keep creating and keep believing in yourself. See you next time.